Hey everyone. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a back-to-top button to a Google Sites page in the 2026 layout. Google Sites doesn't have a built-in option, but there are two easy ways to do it. The first method uses a simple anchor trick. Add a text box at the top of your page and label it Top. Then go to the bottom of your page, insert a button, name it Back to Top, and link it to the top section of the page. Resize it, move it to the corner, and it works instantly. The second method uses a floating HTML button. Insert an embed code block and paste a small HTML snippet that creates a button fixed in the bottom right corner. Then add a top anchor so the button knows where to jump. This gives you a modern floating back-to-top icon that stays on the screen as people scroll. Preview your site to test it, and once everything works, publish it. And that's it. That's how to add a back-to-top button in Google Sites for 2026. Thanks for watching.